Hey guys, it's Katie from PC Hardware, and this is my mod project. It's a 3D Christmas tree that features blinking LEDs. The power is supplied from the 9-volt battery into the circuit, which contains resistors that limit the flow of current so that the LEDs don't burn up. As you can see, the LEDs alternate blinking rapidly due to the transistors and capacitors. The transistors here are used to switch electrical energy, which is stored in the capacitors between each side of the circuit. And these two jumpers here and here complete the circuit, enabling it to stand as a three-dimensional model. So it's two circuit boards put together to make one. And here are the LEDs blinking with the lights off. It blinks so fast sometimes you can't even tell. So, there it is. Hope you liked it.